sweet. I ask you very confidentially, ain't she sweet? Cast an eye in her direction, only your mind. Ain't that reflection for your love? I repeat, don't you think she's kind of sweet? Now I ask you very confidentially, ain't she sweet? Ain't she sweet? Ain't she sweet?
Let's go. Well, this has really been a really nice day for me, chaps.
It's been a pleasure for me too. Yeah.
We're going to have to see you for the next 40 years.
Yeah. Well, that should end the series. We could end on this note then. I think it was Candlestick Park.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. It was
This is Candlestick Park.
This is Candlestick Park. No, it's been a very nice day. Thanks for having us, George.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's been really beautiful and moving for me. I like hanging out with you.
Little churchy face.